chapter acids, bases and salts. You have learned in previous classes that the sour, bitter tastes of food, these are due to acids and bases respectively present in them. If someone in the family suffers from a problem of acidity after overeating, this can be reduced by using some bases such as home remedies like lemon juice, vinegar, and the most commonly used baking soda. As we know that sour and bitter are acids and bases. It means that acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. And this acid changes its color from blue litmus to red. And this bases changes its color from red litmus to blue. Litmus is a natural indicator. Turmeric is another such indicator. And some synthetic indicators are also used. Some synthetic indicators are also used, such as methyl orange and phenolphthalein. These are the synthetic indicators which we use for identification of acids, bases and salts. Natural indicators are turmeric. In this chapter, we will study the reactions of acids and bases. How acids and bases cancel out each other effects, and many more interesting things that we use and see in our day-to-day life. Understanding the chemical properties of acids and bases. Let's we talk about some names of acids and bases. HCl, which is called as hydrochloric acid. H2SO4, sulfuric acid and HNO3, nitric acid. The basic commonly used acid is HCl, hydrochloric acid, and CH3COOH, which is called as acetic acid, and then KOH, which is known as potassium hydroxide. MgOH taken twice, which is known as magnesium hydroxide. NH4OH is called as ammonium hydroxide. These are the names of acids and bases, and these are the some substances whose order changes in acidic or basic media, and these are also called as olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator. As we know that olfactory means sense, odor, smell, sense of smell. The sense of smell is identified by this olfactory indicator. Let us try the basic activity. Take some finely chopped onions. In a plastic bag. This is plastic bag, along with some strips of cloths, clean cloth. The bag, tie up the bag tightly and leave it for overnight in fridge. The cloth strips can now be added to test for acids and bases. Now take the two strips cloth and check their smell. Keep them on a clean surface and put few drops of HCl, dilute HCl solution on one strip. On another strip, add dilute NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Now rinse both cloth strips with water and again check the smell. Now note down the observations. Now take some dilute vanilla essence and clove oil and check its smell. Now take some dilute HCl solution in one test tube and dilute NaOH in another test tube. Now add few drops of vanilla essence to both the test tubes and shake well. Now check the odor or smell and once again record the changes in smell. If any, similarly test the changes in the odor of clove oil with dilute HCl and dilute NaOH. And now again record. Similarly test the changes in smell of clove oil with dilute HCl plus dilute NaOH solutions. Now record your observations. Which of this vanilla, onion and clove can be used as olfactory indicators? How strong acid or base solutions? We can do this by making a use of universal indicator, which is a mixture of several indicators. These universal indicators show different colors at different concentrations. At different concentrations of H plus ions, it means hydrogen ions in a solution. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is known as pH scale. I repeat it once again. Hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is known as pH scale. This is very basic and very important, and this has been developed in German. In common word, this P indicates power, and as you know that H means hydrogen ions. On the pH scale, we can measure the pH generally from 0, very acidic, to 14, that is very alkaline. pH should be thought of simply as a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. If the higher hydronium ion concentration, then this pH value would be lower, and this hydronium ion means H3O plus ions. Now let's talk about the acid and bases nature on pH scale. Acids and basic nature in pH scale. As we know that acid starts from 0 and 7 is the neutral and 14 is alkali, or it may call as alkali, or it may call as base. And this acid increases from 7. Acid nature increases From 7 to 14, basic nature increases. H plus OH minus ions. This strength of acids and bases depends on the number of H plus ions and OH minus ions respectively. If we take HCl and CH3COOH, which means hydrochloric acid and acetic acid, if they both are in same concentration, then this produces the same amount of hydrogen ions. More H plus ions is said to be strong acids and less H plus ions are said to be weak acids. As same for bases. More OH minus ions, strong base, and then less OH minus ions is known as weak base. Now let's talk about the pH range of our body. Our body works within the pH range of 7.0 to 7.8. Living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH range. When the pH range of rainwater is less than 5.6, then this is called as acid rain. pH in our digestive system. It is very interesting to note that our stomach produces HCl, hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During the indigestion, the stomach produces too much of HCl. This causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, people use bases. This is called as antacids. These antacids neutralize excess acid. Magnesium hydroxide. This magnesium hydroxide is also known as milk of magnesia. This is a mild base and this is often used for this purpose. Stomach digestion. pH change of tooth decay. Tooth decay starts when the pH of mouth is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamel. This is made up of calcium phosphate, and this tooth enamel is the hardest substance in our body. This cannot be dissolved in water. The bacteria present in mouth produce acids by degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. The best way to prevent this is to clean the mouth after eating food using toothpaste, which are generally basic for cleaning the teeth. This can neutralize the excess acid, and this prevents the teeth from decay. pH of salts. Salts of strong acid and strong base are neutral with pH value 7. On the other hand, salts of strong acid and weak base are acidic with pH value less than 7, and strong base and weak acid these are basic in nature, which pH value is greater than 7.